What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to log out of your YouTube account on mobile devices. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. There are different ways to log out of your YouTube account. The easiest is by using your device's native settings app. From here, navigate to Accounts and Management. From here, tap on Manage Accounts. Among your listed accounts, locate the YouTube account you wish to log out of. Tap on it to select it. With the account selected, select the Remove Account option. This is the key to your logout journey. A confirmation prompt will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to remove the account. Confirm your choice to log out. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of your YouTube account using your mobile device's settings. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.